Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save with SimplyHired listings easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and navigate to the SimplyHired website. Once on the home page, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. Enter the job title or keywords related to your job search in the search bar. Next, input your desired location in the adjacent field. After entering the information, click on the search button to view job listings. Browse through the list of job postings that appear on the screen. To save a job listing, hover over the listing you are interested in. You will see a heart icon or a save button on the job listing. Click on the heart icon or save button to add that job to your saved listings. To view your saved jobs, look for the Saved Jobs section, usually found in the top menu. Click on Saved Jobs to see all the positions you have saved. Here, you can review the details of each job at your convenience. If you decide a job is no longer of interest, you can easily remove it from your saved list. Simply click Remove next to the job listing you want to delete. This will help keep your saved jobs organized and relevant. If you want to apply for a job, select the listing to view more details. Follow the application instructions provided in the job details. With this process, you can efficiently manage and save job listings on SimplyHired. You can now begin your journey towards finding the perfect job while saving time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.